Hey everybody, since here in today's video, I'm going to be showing you in less than 3 minutes how you can earn money referring Skillshare. Skillshare is a learning platform just like Udemy where people come from all around the world and just offer online courses. So what I love, by the way, about their program is that they do pay you $7 out of every single person signing up with your affiliate link. It doesn't matter whether they do pay for the membership right after the 7-day trial period or not. And the second thing that I love as well about this program is that they have a 30-day cookie. In other words, if you send the link to someone and they click in and probably they're busy or they're not in the mood or whatever, something is going on with their lives, and come back to Skillshare within that 30-day period and sign up, you're still going to be making money. Okay, so one of the ways I would highly recommend you, first, guys, you want to sign up for free, okay, here. And one of the ways I would highly recommend you to promote Skillshare would be just to get here on browse, click here. You can see a different bunch of courses. You come here, you look for the groups in that specific area that you chose. And then, for example, here, I just picked graphic design. You can see here, we have graphic design. You go to the group and then you just post that you want to offer them a free membership so that they can learn more about whatever they are leaning towards. And you send them a direct message or a comment with your affiliate link, and you're going to be making money. Guys, I hope you love the video. I hope you find it helpful. Please subscribe, share the video, and comment about how you like it. And please smash that notification bell button so that you can see more videos like this. Until then, keep crushing it and see you next time. Take care.